This Have a Nice Day set by Echo Park just makes me smile. I can already see that this is going to be a really happy set. And this is the front page. Hang on. There we go. We have sunshines. We have cutout sheets. Oh my goodness. These are great for journaling. Great for scrapbook pages, making cards. There's red pattern paper, floral paper. Here are some white daisies. Look at all the sunshine, or the smiley faces. More smiley faces and colors this time. Choose happy. Great for cards. Smiles all around. There's another great smiley face sheet. More smiley faces. Here's a great green pattern. It matches everything else. There's another one with red daisies. There's a peach paper. Look at this. It's a good day to have a good day. Love these sayings. Here's an orange patterned paper and more sunshine, or more smiley faces. This one has them in the center of flowers. Here are some stars on a really pretty salmon color. Stripes. I love how all of this is coordinating. This is going to be great for scrapbook pages, journaling. If you do junk journals, more stars and smiley faces, more great sayings. Oh man, I'm gonna have to do lots of pages for my granddaughter using this set because this is really, really cute. Sunshines with smiley faces. There's a checkered, and here we have more smiley faces. And then this is the sticker sheet. There are 3 borders down here, and then there are, let's see, we have some pennants like tags, little icons. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. These are great for making tags, making cards, scrapbook pages, all the fun things. So this is a wonderful set.